Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the transition options. Okay, we are going to discuss the transition options. Okay, so what does the transition option do? Let us check now. So I'm going to insert some of the shapes here in my slide. I'm going to change the shapes and also add the shapes in my slides. Okay. Mhm. Okay, I have added the three different shapes right now. Now, next option, let us use the fade option for this slide. So now I'm going to start with the presentation from the beginning. Okay, you can see how the fade option works. Next, in the transition option, if you want to increase the timer, you can also increase your timer and just again start with the presentation. Okay, this is how this option works. Okay, next one is the morph option. So move the things on the previous slide to their new locations on the current slide. Okay, this is how this function basically works. Okay, now I'm going to duplicate this both the slides and just I'm going to move the contents of the slide. Okay, and I'm going to apply the morph transition. Okay, I'm going to apply the morph transition and increase the time and apply to all. There are also other options available and apply to all. And next again I am going to check how the morph transition works. Now please check carefully what will happen. What will morph transition do? Okay, you understood how the morph transition works? Okay, this is very useful. Okay, there are also other options which are available. I'm going to show few of them. Okay, this one is a random bar, shape, reveal, split, push. Okay, there are also other options also, flash, follower, drape, curtains, pinned, prestige, fracture, crush, peel off, page cull, airplane, origami, dissolve, checkerboard, blinds, clock, ripple, honeycomb. Next, glitter, vortex, shred, switch, flip, gallery, cube, doors, box, comb, zoom, random. Okay, in random, any of the type of the transition will play. Pan, Ferris wheel, conveyor, rotate, window, orbit, and fly through. Okay, you can use any of these transition systems. You can further edit this option, for example, in and out. Okay, there will be different options for each and every case of transition. Okay, for example, in the case of fade, I have smooth and thoroughly black. In the case of push, I have from left, right, bottom. In the case of wipe, I have this type of options. Okay, in the case of split, I have three type of options. In the case of reveal, I have effect options such as smooth from left. From the cut, I have none or black through random bars. I have vertical or horizontal in the shape. There are circle, diamond, plus, in, out. These are the options which are available. You can also add the sounds. Okay, if you want to use, and just click on apply all, or you want to select only individual, you can click just on this. Okay, for example, I want to change, such as let us use the sound bomb here. Okay, you will hear the sound. This might not be audible to you right now, and please note some of these options might not be available in the older versions and sometimes also in the newer versions. That's all in this video. Thank you.